Hi, I'm Paul Haydocy with Road Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize your Alde system for your nuCamp tab. Your Alde system controls your interior heat and water heater. To adjust your settings, simply hit the menu button on the control panel. Once you've hit that, you'll see a temperature at the top of the screen. Simply hit the plus or minus to the desired temperature. Below the temperature, you'll notice a shower head. That is to control your water temperature. If you hit the plus once, you'll notice the bar halfway through. That is your standard water heater. If you hit the plus one more time, that is a boost that will heat your water to 120 degrees for 30 minutes. Your next two options are your power source. The first one is a lightning bolt symbol. Simply hit the plus and you'll see it says 1 kilowatt. You're now powering your Alde system using your electrical power source. Right below that, you'll see a teardrop symbol. Hit that teardrop symbol and you're now trying to run your Alde system off of your propane. Thanks for watching. To check out more how-to videos, visit our YouTube page or go to roadadventures.com and start planning your next Great American Getaway.